Hi Prasoon sir, good evening. We've been hearing the anthem the whole day, and we will through the campaign this year. So I want to ask you, what was the inspiration this time around?
See, I've been associated with the Banega Swachh India for the last 8 years, and it's been, I must compliment NDTV for that, Dr. Roy for that, Amit ji, of course. Without him, you can't imagine this whole coming to life. And Mr. Lakshman Narasimhan is there. Reckitt has really played a big role in making this reach out to people from Swachh to Swasth to Sampann now. And of course, Gaurav and me been working very closely on this. So my compliments to everyone. Of course, Sanket, you've been doing it for many years now. As Lakshman last year also had said, and this year again, this year is about no one being left behind. Now, where did this need for no one being left behind, no one should be left behind comes from? You remember our society used to have a word called unfortunate. When we saw someone suffering, we said the person is unfortunate. Now we don't know where unfortunate got replaced with the word loser. You started saying that the person is a loser. Because we became a society which is collective, from collective to individualistic. And इसीलिए कहीं ना कहीं जरूरत पड़ी कि हम औरों के बारे में सोचें. वरना एक कलेक्टिव सोसाइटी कलेक्टिवली फंक्शन करती है, उसे रिमाइंड नहीं करना पड़ता है कि आप दूसरों के बारे में सोचें. और मैं इस पे सोच रहा था तो मुझे लगा कि ये जो पता नहीं कब हमने सीख लिया कि पीछे मुड़कर नहीं देखना है. पता नहीं कब हमने सीख लिया अमित जी कि पता नहीं कब हमने सीख लिया कि पीछे मुड़कर नहीं देखना है. जो छूट रहा है छूटने दो, जो टूट रहा है टूटने दो. पर आज कुछ और सीखना है. सीखना है पीछे मुड़कर देखना. अतीत से लिपटने के लिए नहीं, अतीत से लिपटने के लिए नहीं, वर्तमान से न्याय करने के लिए पीछे मुड़कर देखना है. इसलिए कि कोई पीछे न रह जाए. जो दौड़ नहीं पा रहा है वो, जिसकी सांस उखड़ रही है वो, और वो जो आशा से हमारी तरफ हाथ बढ़ा रहा है. पीछे मुड़कर देखना है क्योंकि नया सवेरा भी हमें साथ साथ ही देखना है. पीछे मुड़कर देखना यानी नए कल को साथ जुड़कर देखना. चलिए कोशिश करते हैं. सो आई थिंक समवेयर दिस पैंडेमिक हैज मेड अस रियलाइज कि किसी और का कोई दुश्मन नहीं है. ये हम सबका, कहता है ना, दुश्मन, व्हेन द एनिमी कम्स वी सॉर्ट ऑफ यूनाइट. Somehow this collective enemy of the humankind, of the earth, of the planet, has subconsciously united us. But for subconsciously taking everyone together, we have to go towards conscious inclusion. Now, for this to be part of subconscious design, it has to be happening by design. So that's the reason I really like the theme of this year, which probably reminds us of somewhere that we are connected and we are in it together.
प्रसून जी, मैं अमिताभ, अभी आप बात कर रहे थे कि जो आपने लेखन किया है और जो आपने अभी कविता भी लिखी है, उसके जितने भी शब्द हैं बहुत ही पुरजोर हैं. इनको जीवित कैसे किया जाए? लिखना एक तरफ है, उसका प्रचार करना दूसरी बात है, लेकिन इन शब्दों को एक जीवन देना, उन्हें जीवित रखना इस पूरे अभियान में, इसके लिए आपके पास कोई सुझाव हो तो बताइए.
जी, सुझाव यही है कि एक तो आज जो हम ये 3 अक्टूबर को कर रहे हैं, ये एक दिन का कार्यक्रम बनाकर भूल नहीं जाना चाहिए.
बिल्कुल सही कहा.
मुझे लगता है कि हम एक पूरा दिन, आई हैव a great respect for the entire team who works every year tirelessly to achieve this 12 hours of ये अथक परिश्रम जो किया जाता है. But after that, I think we need to periodically, and I want to suggest to everyone, and Lakshman is here, and Gaurav is here, and yourself here, I want to suggest that can we have periodic programs like quarterly review of the progress, and I can contribute in terms of making it part of the common parlance, where anthems are reminders. I mean, they are just reminders.
Right,
But
good
beyond that,
idea.
you have to live them.
Good
तो
idea.
उसको जीवंत करने के लिए, I think we should probably we go back to our workplace from here today, and we all make promises here. And I know that a company like Reckitt really committed, but we all need to sort of reunite and check a progress report. I think probably that's what I can make a suggestion at,
Good idea.
because this is a
Yeah, very
humongous
good.
task. That's what I.
सुझाव अच्छा है प्रसून जी.
सुझाव अच्छा है. Prasun, thanks. Thank you very much for once again for joining us and all that you do for us, and really bring this whole campaign to life. One last comment from you, and after that, you have to sing a few lines from the anthem, because when you sing it, it will be different. Let's hear.
Okay, Pranay, as usual, every year I think we commit ourselves and we work together. So thank you for inviting me, making me part of this. Gaurav, thank you. I know how hard you've been working at it. I've been witnessing that, and I keep sort of checking with him all the time that how the progress is. So we do another year, and this year the challenges were different. And Sampann, when actually Gaurav talked to me about Sampann, I said it's such a complex thought. I tell you, in poetry, it's very difficult to tell GDP. I mean, it's difficult to write the word GDP in poetry. So, then came these lines where, I somehow captured it, कि स्वच्छता, स्वास्थ्य और पर्यावरण का ध्यान, सबके साथ करना है संकल्प ये महान, स्वस्थ होगा देश तो संपन्न भी होगा, देश की तरक्की से देश की पहचान. Now it looks very simple, but it is a long equation of the GDP here. Okay. And the lines I love is where I was working with Tara and she was, insisting on this was, कोई पीछे ना छूटे, कोई डोर कहीं ना टूटे, छूना है हमको मिलकर आसमान अपना ध्यान. Last year it was that, and we need to change it this year to स्वच्छता, स्वास्थ्य और पर्यावरण का ध्यान, सबके साथ करना है संकल्प ये महान. So I mean this is a complex equation to write, and I thank everyone for including me again this year. Thank you, Mr. Bachchan, for being part of it. Sorry, I went off tune. Mr. Bachchan would have realized it.
That was wonderful. Thank you.
धन्यवाद प्रसून जी.
And thank you, Lakshman. Thank you for coming to India and supporting yet another year.
Absolutely.
Thank you.